Hey class, in this video we're going to take a look at this problem that deals with circles and some of the segments and how you can solve for chords. This was similar to number 1 on that extra credit with circles that we had while I was absent. Let's go ahead and take a look. So in order to solve for y here, we need to know this segment, and one of your first steps is to go ahead and find this length of this total segment, which is just taking each part, so 7 plus the 10, so 17. And also down here, now for this one, since we know this is 8 and this is y, that would just be 8 plus y. And we have a certain equation that we can use. In our equation, we're just going to take this side of that segment, and we will multiply it by that entire length. If we set that equal to the same concept for the other side, taking this part, which is the 8, and multiply that by the entire length, 8 plus y, then this is a way that we can set up our equation in order to solve for y. So it's just basically doing a comparison where you have your whole length and then you multiply it by a portion of it. So 7 times 17, if we multiply that, you would have 119. So this would be 119 is equal to 8 times 8. And then make sure you distribute it to where it goes through to both terms, so plus 8y. Next, if we want to solve for a variable, we will subtract 64 on both sides. 119 divided by, or sorry, not divided, minus 64 is equal to 55. This cancels, so that just leaves us with that 8y. And then we divide by 8. So y is equal to, and I'm just going to use my calculator over here, 55 divided by 8, because we will get a decimal. It is 6.9 if we round. So hopefully you can see how you can use this equation. Try to mimic that equation with the one that was assigned. Let me know if you do have any difficulties though. Thanks.